Hello guys, welcome to Magic Hair Company's live wig show. We are here live in store and we will show you a lot of the different wigs that we currently have available. So here you go guys. Give me 1 second while I put on my wig. This is my Old Faithful, one of my favorites that I've been wearing for a little over a year. This one has a side part. And there we go. So this is one of my glueless wigs, one of my favorites. Can you guys see the color? How's that?
Right.
Okay, but yeah, definitely take a look at my shirt. I'll tag where I got it from below. And here we go. Here's some of our in-store wigs that we have right now. This is, I believe, a 16-inch. We do custom color here in store. We are your glueless custom wig maker located in Culver City, California. Right now, we are currently having a 20% off sale on our website, magichaircompany.com. So definitely swipe up to see what our current sale is. Our current sale is 20% off. Subscribe to our newsletter so that way you'll be the first to know about any new wigs that we have available and all of our sales and specials we have going on. So this is our MLK special. We're not changing the special that we currently have right now, which is January all month long. Now we do have just a couple of braided wigs left. This is wig 609. Hopefully you guys can see this color here. All of our braided wigs are braided all the way down to the very end. We did all of this custom color here in store, except for the braided wigs. We don't do the braided wigs here in store. This right here is unit number 685. It's a 14-inch, and as you can see, it has this asymmetrical bob cut to it. But check out this copper color and a very, very popular bang style here. We can customize these bangs for you. We can change the part in any of our bang wigs as well. So this is just a few of the wigs we have here at Magic Hair Company. And of course, to maintain your wigs and extensions at home, pick up our hair care product line. We have our very own shampoo, conditioner, and curl definer. This is exactly what you need to maintain your wigs and extensions at home. We're located here in Culver City. Our current business hours are Tuesday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6 p.m. Tuesday through Saturday. We do prefer that you have an appointment right now because obviously, we're dealing with COVID and we want to make sure we don't have too many people in store. That way we can sanitize each station in between and not have too many people here in store. So this is unit number 519, which is a 26-inch jet black full lace unit. Actually, I don't think it's full lace, but this is unit number 519. Here we have a 22-inch straight. This is unit number 417. So a lot of times we get the question, what's the difference between natural black and jet black? So hopefully this picks up on camera, but this right here is natural 1B black right here in silky straight. And over here is jet black, a 26-inch silky straight. So natural black, jet black. And our jet black does not bleed. Because it's done by our manufacturer, the color is really locked in and it's going to last and never bleed. And you can be confident with wearing jet black hair in the rain or with white clothing. Here we have some of our full lace blonde units. So this one definitely is full lace. You can see all the way through to the scalp there. This is a 18-inch full lace blonde. Next we have some more custom colored purple. This is another silky straight that we just put a beautiful wand curl in there. So sometimes we get asked, does it take a curl, hold a curl? It absolutely does. Now this one right here was a custom request for a client. She wanted to see what this beautiful dark purple burgundy-ish color looked like. So hopefully you guys can see this on camera, but it has just a hint of color right there. Take a look at that. So if you want to play with color and you want just a hint of color, not too much, this is a great option for you. And this is a great everyday style. It's a 12-inch straight custom bob. This is unit number 630. Okay, over here we have a beautiful lavender unit. We had a whole lavender collection. And this is one of the lavender units. This is number 632. So if you're new to our live wig show, All of these wigs have a 3-digit wig number. That's how our wigs are labeled from Magic Hair Company. They don't have names, or that is the unit number, style number. It's a 3-digit wig number. So this right here is wig number 504. And so if you hear me call out a wig number for the wig you like, go on over to magichaircompany.com and plug that wig number in, and you will have all of the details on the wig that you like. We have free domestic shipping. We absolutely do ship internationally, and we prefer in-store pickup right now. So if there's a wig that you see that you like, go on over our website, put that 3-digit wig number in, and select either in-store pickup or shipping, and we will get that beautiful wig out to you. This is unit number 185. This is one of our really popular styles there. It's an 18-inch curly with a slight ombre. This is a 22-inch wavy right here. We have lots of just plain wavy, so this is our 1B color and wavy. So as you can see, the waves are kind of loose and big, and that's because it's a longer texture. So the longer your hair strand is, the looser the wave pattern is going to be for a wavy texture. So if you want a little more wave to it, then get deep body wave, which would be our next texture up. And this would be our deep body wave right here. So as the hair is longer, it will definitely lose a little bit of texture, and that's just because of the natural weight of the hair on the wig.
Culver City Chamber said hi.
Hi, Culver City Chamber. And this is unit number 633, a 12-inch straight red wig. It's front lace, so we do custom color in here. So if there's any colors that you want, whether you want to do some blonde with highlights, or you want to do some red or purple or green, we got you here at Magic Hair Company because we specialize in making custom lace wigs, whether it's full lace or front lace, and we do the custom color here in store, and we have a variety of textures and lengths and styles that suit every different need. Just like this one here. So this is our yaki straight texture. Hopefully this is pulling up on camera, but this is our yaki straight. So we have yaki straight and kinky straight, and these are great textures if you want a little bit of texture, but not a silky straight like this. So if you want something with a little bit of texture, yaki straight and kinky straight are great options. Let me go grab the kinky straight to compare with the yaki straight to show you the difference in all three. And let me know if you guys have any questions. We are open here in Culver City. We do have Quad K available on our website, and we can absolutely customize the color on your unit. So this is actually a U part that's kinky straight. So if you want a U part, we'll simply cut this lace right here for you, and you'll pull your own hair out. There's combs right here. Let me just show you. So there's combs underneath here. So everything that you see that does not have hair attached to it will be cut off before installation or before you put it on. So your own natural hair comes out right here. These clips anchor into your hair right there. And then it just looks like so. So all of that lace that you see with no hair on it gets cut off. Sometimes people get confused about why the U parts have lace there. It gets cut off. That's just how it's made. But back to what I was originally talking about. This right here is our kinky straight texture right here, which can be pressed out a little bit. So you can take a little bit of this fluff out of this texture when we press it out. Unlike with the yaki straight, where we can curl this, but the texture is not going to be less fluffy. So this is kinky straight right here, kinky straight right here, yaki straight right here, and then silky straight right here. So all three of these are great texture options and just suitable for different needs. But we have all three of them here at Magic Hair Company. Okay, so yeah, this is a silky straight 14 inch. This unit is really popular right here. This is unit number 487. I'm sure you guys can see the beautiful custom color right there. We can customize the color, like I said, on any of our wigs and extensions here at Magic Hair Company. So that's one thing that definitely makes us different. Not only do we have the best quality hair around and quality wig construction, we also have an amazing colorist on staff here and available. So we can customize your unit for you. Whether you need us to cut some bangs, cut some layers, we can do that here at Magic Hair Company. And we currently prefer that you make an appointment first. So this is unit number 603, ladies and gentlemen. This is one of our braided units. Now our braided units, we are having a hard time keeping in stock. Check out this awesome quality. All of the twists are the exact same diameter. So it's really, really great quality. And it's braided down to the ends. Check out our braided wig section at magichaircompany.com to see our different braids, wigs, and options. Let's talk about my mask real quick. I know we get questions about it. My mask is from Stair Fashion, and I will plug it down in the description below. Okay, and so this is unit number 575, which is another one of our custom red wigs. We have a lot of different shades of red here. So back to just compare it to this one. So although they're both red, they're slightly different shades of red. Can you guys see this on camera? And maybe I'll pull one more just to show you. We have a lot of different options for red, burgundy, purple wigs here at Magic Hair Company. We really can customize the color of the wigs for you here at Magic Hair Company, where we are your glueless, full lace, front lace wig supplier located here in Culver City, California. Check out the movement of these wigs, ladies and gentlemen. If you want a quality wig, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company.
How long does shipping take?
Shipping takes, usually it takes 1 to 3 business days, but right now it's just taking like an extra day or two. But so that's about 3 to 5 business days to get you your wig. So if there's something that you want, go ahead and get it and don't wait, because one, we may only have 1 or 2 and you want it to be to you in time for whatever. Whether you need to be Zoom ready, out the house ready, work ready, back to reality ready, order your wigs online. It will definitely take care of you. So this is our beautiful kinky curly texture. And a lot of times we get the question, how hard is it to maintain all? So all you do is hydrate it with our curl definer and amplifier and put that in a spray bottle, and there you go. That is exactly how you maintain all of our curly, wavy wigs and extensions. Now this is a beautiful deep body wig, custom colored, very similar to the hair I currently have on. Very similar. I think this one's a little bit darker and mine's a little bit lighter, but that's just an example of how we can customize your color for you here. So have a consultation with our color specialist and she'll figure out exactly how you want the hair color, and we will definitely accommodate that for you here at Magic Hair Company. And to maintain your wigs and extensions at home, use our keratin shampoo and conditioner. Both are available on our website, and they're both available in the store. And another little secret is they're 20% off right now at magichaircompany.com. Now this one right here is a really, really popular unit again. It's an everyday wig. This is unit number 383. It's a 10-inch straight with a bang, and it has a little bit of a custom color highlight in it. So if you want a little bit of color but not too much, this is a great option for you here. This is unit number 383. And again, everything is 20% off right now on our website.
Is it a coupon code needed?
There's no code needed. No code needed. It is automatic at checkout. And here is another deep body wave custom color example. So just like the one I currently have on and these two right here, we can really customize your color for you. Let me give you guys a good view of all three. We can really customize. How's that? Does that look crazy? No, it does?
No, it looks good.
Okay, so this is an example of 3 different deep body wave color options. And the one I have on, I've been wearing this wig on and off for a little over a year now. And these are brand new. The only thing I use to hydrate this is our curl definer and amplifier. And I just put that in a little spray bottle, and there you go. Doo-doo-doo. So yeah, we can really customize that color for you and get you the exact desired look for the wig you want. Whether you want blue, aqua, teal, purple. We have some more braided wigs over here. Check out our website, magichaircompany.com. We're located here in Culver City. Our address is 863 Washington Boulevard, and we are open Tuesday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6 p.m. appointment preferred. So to make an appointment, just go to our website. The chat feature will pop up and let us know you'd like to make an appointment, and we'll set you up when we have an available appointment, and we'll have everything ready for you. And let us know if you want any styling done. Like this beautiful example here, we're just adding some curls in it. Not sure if you guys can see it, but yeah, so we can add curls, we can add bangs, we can customize your unit today here at Magic Hair Company. So, does anybody else have any questions? We're about to wrap up and get off of our live today. We do have a few openings right now. But thank you everybody for watching. We'll see you guys next Friday at 3 p.m. live. We're here at Magic Hair Company, where we're changing lives one custom wig at a time. See you soon. Bye.